truck full of goats looted in Gulistan Johar, Karachi. A truck transporting a consignment of sacrificial goats was reportedly hijacked by 4 armed men in Gulistan Johar, police revealed on Wednesday. The truck, carrying 30 goats, was en route from Hyderabad to Gulistan Johar. The driver had stopped near Kamran Charanji to ask for directions when the incident occurred. 4 suspects onto motorbikes approached the driver, held him at gunpoint, and robbed him of his cash and cell phone before driving off with the truck and the goats. Abdul Manan, the driver, informed the media that the stolen sacrificial animals were valued at approximately 1.5 million rupees.